So hello guys, in this video I will tell you when will be the zoo gift box will be available in the different regions of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Nigeria. Let's move to the timings and what are the animal feeds that has been provided you in the gift box. So guys, join our Telegram channel for the latest update. The first gift box will appear at 12:10 UTC. The reward will be 482 animal feed and duration of time for availability is 30 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 5:40 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 5:10 pm. For Bangladesh timing will be 6:10 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 1:10 pm. Then move to the second gift box. The second gift box will appear on the map at 1905 UTC. Reward will be 1778 animal feed and duration of time will be 15 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 12:35 am. For Pakistan timing it will be 12:05 am. For Bangladesh timing it will be 1:05 am and for Nigeria timing it will be 8:05 pm. Then we move to the third gift box. The third gift box will appear at 20:30 UTC. The reward will be 4322 animal feed. The duration of time will be 30 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 2 am. For Pakistan timing it will be 1:30 am. For Bangladesh timing it will be 2:30 am and for Nigeria timing it will be 9:30 pm. If you want to add your country timing in the upcoming videos, please like and comment in our video. Till then, meet you in a new video. Take care. Bye bye.